Issue with a Yamaha RD500LC. So you can see I've stripped all the airbox system out, which sits on the top there, and move on down. That's actually where the carburetors would normally fit. It's actually the rear cylinder that's causing the problem. Stripped it all down. So the carburetors have been refurbished, so looking to put those back on, hope that'll cure the problem. Normally there will be a heat shield that will fit onto there, and then the carburetors will go on like this, but just because I want to fire it up, I'm not going to bother with that. So these are all the accelerator, etc. and choke connections there. So I'm going to connect all the carbs back up and see that it fires up. Now, just before we start connecting the carbs, you can see the two intakes for the carburetors, and it goes in, and then that's the reblock that goes actually into the cylinder. This is the cylinder that doesn't seem to want to fire. So we'll connect them all back up now and see how it goes. Here's some pictures of the carbs when they were taken apart. See various parts that have been dismantled, cleaned before reassembling. If you look carefully, you can just see a bit of dirt inside there, and there's some dirt that came out on a J-cloth, just to give you some idea of what the problem was. And the carburetors obviously showing it's all been balanced. Right, that's the choke one's connected up. They've got just connected on. And the other one. Oh, you also get in there. Like that. And just lock them up. So carburetor is now fitted. Normally there would be a brace that fits, what's wrong around? A bit wrong around. Like that will fit on there to hold them in place. But obviously just trying to fire it up, so I won't bother with that. So let's put a bit of pre on there. Let the system back up again. No leaks, seem to be good. And let's fire it up. I'll leave you with the awesome power of 500LC.